Yo everyone, what's up? This is a boy here again, Strat from Strat Visual. So if you are new to this channel, make sure you go and subscribe, like and comment down below. Do whatever you want. So basically in today's video we're gonna be watching some Somali hip-hop, not the recent ones. Like I'm not talking about some Lil Balil stuff or something like that. No, it's not something like that, obviously. So we're gonna watch some legendary hip-hop stars from those days when we were kids and something like that. And yeah, let me try and see if I remember anything. So let me search Somali hip hop. Yep, I think we got the first one. It's El Kasi Nairobi way. So let's watch it, you know. Wow man, wallahi I remember this one. Also حسست this one. Oh my god man, I used to listen to this thing when I was like, I don't know, 10 years old, 11 years or something like that. El Kasi used to be the hip-hop star of the Somalis, like Bohorka rap, you know, like people used to be really big fan of him. Even me personally, I used to listen to this dude a lot. Wow. Anyway, that's for El Kasi. Let's move to another one. So this one says Hawahaji. Oh, Hawahaji and crew immigrants. What do they mean? Let's watch it anyway. Oh, it's not easy.
Oh my goodness, is this true? Is that Hawahaji and her crew?
They call me Hawahaji. In these streets, I'm a certified G. Me, Hawahaji. In these streets, I'm a certified G. Not as in gangster, but good, don't you see? Yup,
Oh.
yup, that's me. I invite you personally to come see this blade featuring me. You know the tagline.
Oh wait, did she actually made a dab something? Wait, what? Oh, she actually dabbed, man. Oh.
It's not easy.
Oh.
It's not easy. It's not easy. Yup, that's me.
Oh.
I'm out. Hawahaji.
Oh my god, man, are you kidding me? What? Oh my god, man, they actually used that Somali drum they use in the arroz and weddings as their own beat. What? They're actually using Somali drums. Wow, I'm actually amazed, man.
Oh my goodness, is this true? Is that Hawahaji and her crew?
They call me Hawahaji. In these streets, I'm a certified G. Not as in gangster, but good, don't you see? Yup, that's me. I invite you personally to come see this blade featuring me. You know the tagline, it's not easy. It's not easy. It's not easy. Yup, that's me. I'm out. Hawahaji.
So yeah, that's for today's guys, and I will see you in the next video. I really want to watch this video again, man. Wow.